AI is totally changing the game for human resources, right? It promises to make things so much more efficient. But, with all that new power comes a whole new class of risk. So today, we're going to break down how your greatest asset could, well, become your biggest liability. And more importantly, what you can actually do about it.
All right, before we really get into the weeds, just a quick heads up. What you're about to see is a general overview.
This is an overview of the security impact of AI on the typical human resources department by Virtualization Options LLC. And it's really meant to be a starting point for a much bigger training conversation, because let's be real, no department is ever really typical, is it? That's why they work with organizations to develop custom, organization-specific training that really addresses your specific needs, your risk exposure, and of course, your productivity goals. So as we go through this, think about your own team and ask yourself this question. Could your best tool really turn into your biggest problem?
Okay, let's just dive right in. AI is already a massive superpower for HR. I mean, we're talking about AI-powered tools that screen resumes in seconds, chatbots that answer employee questions anytime, day or night, and even predictive analytics that can give you a heads up on who might be thinking about leaving. The boost in efficiency is absolutely huge, but it's also opened the door to vulnerabilities that we've just never had to think about before.
So why is everyone so focused on HR? Well, it's kind of the perfect storm. First, HR is sitting on a goldmine of high-value data. Second, it's a huge target for regulators, which means the penalties for a breach can be brutal. And honestly, a lot of HR teams don't have that deep specialized security expertise. Plus, the whole department is built on a culture of trust, which, unfortunately, is something attackers are getting really good at exploiting.
So let's get really specific about what's actually on the line here. We are not just talking about a list of emails and phone numbers. We are talking about some of the most sensitive, most personal information your company has.
And this right here, these are the crown jewels of employee data. You've got personally identifiable information, think social security numbers. You've got financial data, like bank accounts and salaries, super sensitive health information, and of course, confidential performance reviews and conduct records. If any one of these gets out, well, it's a full-blown catastrophe.
And the price tag on that catastrophe? It's just staggering. According to a 2023 report from IBM Security, the global average cost of a single data breach was $4.45 million. That is the kind of number that can literally cripple a business.
And it's not even just about the money. It's the sheer disruption. Get this, on average, it takes 277 days, that's more than 9 months, just to find and contain a data breach. Just try to imagine the chaos that would cause for your HR department for almost a year.
So all of this leads to a pretty critical realization. The old security playbooks we've been using for years, they just don't work anymore. AI has created brand new ways to attack, and our defenses have to evolve, like yesterday.
Now this is where it gets really interesting. Your IT department? They're used to fighting off the usual suspects, right? Phishing emails, malware, stuff like that. But are they ready for these new AI-specific threats? We're talking about things like training data poisoning, where an attacker messes with the very data your AI learns from, or prompt injection, which basically tricks your AI into breaking its own rules.
Let's break one of those down. Prompt injection. Think of it like a Jedi mind trick for an AI. An attacker crafts a super clever question or command that gets around the AI's built-in safety rules, and then it tricks the AI into spitting out information it should never, ever share.
And hey, this isn't some science fiction scenario. It happened in 2023. An employee figured out how to write one of these malicious queries. It completely bypassed the HR chatbot safety protocols, and boom, the chatbot started leaking confidential employee data. A tool that was designed to help became a massive liability in an instant.
Okay, that's enough of the doom and gloom. Here's the good news. We can absolutely defend against this stuff. The whole key is to shift our mindset. We have to stop just reacting to breaches after they happen and start proactively building security into our AI strategy from the very beginning.
And this is what that actually looks like. See, security isn't just a box you check at the end. It's a whole life cycle. It has to start way back in the design phase with threat modeling. It has to continue when you're preparing data, looking for any signs of poisoning. It's got to be there during development with constant testing. And it never stops with continuous monitoring after the tool goes live.
Now, to build that kind of life cycle, you need strong governance. And this is not just an IT problem or an HR problem, it's an everyone problem. You need a team with people from across the company. You need a standard way to assess risk for any new AI tool, clear policies, and This one's huge. Bias testing to make sure everything's fair, and, of course, training tailored for everyone's role.
And speaking of bias, you have to hear this quote from the EEOC. It is so important. What it means is your intentions don't matter. If your AI tool creates a discriminatory result, even by accident, your company is on the hook. That makes those fairness audits not just a good idea, but a legal must-have.
So, where on earth do you even start with all this? Let's talk about how you can start building this kind of resilience right now. It's really about taking clear, manageable steps.
Here's your 4-step game plan. First, just figure out where you are right now. What AI are you using, and where are the weak spots? Second, put together that governance committee we just talked about. Third, you've got to invest in the right security tools and, just as importantly, the right training. And fourth, make this a team effort that's always evolving. Security is never done.
You know, when you boil it all down, it really comes to this. This isn't just a technical decision, it's a strategic one. You can either choose to lead from the front and build a secure, responsible AI program, or you can wait and be forced to clean up the mess when a breach finally happens.
And as we wrap things up here, we're kind of back where we started, right? This has been a general overview, a foundation to spark a much, much deeper conversation.
Because, as no department is typical, every organization needs a custom plan to address its own unique needs, risk exposure, and productivity goals. The path forward always starts with that first step, one that's tailored just for you. So, that leaves us with one final and probably most important question of all. What's the first step you're going to take to secure your HR AI?